Yo, can you hear her cry? The winds scream, the rivers bleed. She's coming for us. We carved our greed into the earth's veins, plundered her riches, left her in chains. Her river screamed, her skies grew black, but we turned our backs, never looking back. We crowned ourselves as kings of dirt, while she bore the weight, hiding her hurt. Her forests fell, her oceans cried. Now her fury rises, there's no place to hide. She gave us love, we gave her scars, tore her heart, dimmed her stars. Now the fire roars, the winds will bite. Mother's revenge, feel her fight, fight, fight. We paved her heart with concrete lies, skyscrapers stabbing her grieving skies. We drained her blood, left her skin so thin, built cities of steel on her fragile skin. Her storm screamed truths we can't deny. Her justice burns across the sky. This ain't hate, it's her healing cry, fixing the scars we left to dry. She gave us love, we gave her scars, tore her heart, dimmed her stars. Now the fire roars, the winds will bite. Mother's revenge, feel her fight, fight, fight. Feel her storms, hear her cry. Why did you let my children die? Her winds lash out, her floods will rise. This is her grief painted in the sky. This ain't anger, it's the pain we ignored. For every tree, every life, every ocean floor, her healing cuts through all the lies. You'll feel her wrath in the flames and skies. She gave us love, we gave her scars, tore her heart, dimmed her stars. Now the fire roars, the winds will bite. Mother's revenge, feel her fight, fight, fight. Mother, forgive us, hear our plea. We were blind, but now we see. Her storms will fade if we choose to care. If we heal her wounds, she'll always be.